he looks good. No, he's a monster. This is what I want us to talk about, ladies. I want to talk to the ladies in South Africa. You've seen the pictures, you've seen the comments. He looks good for a guy who's been in prison. Some people saying he's fit, he's got style, and all of those things. Do you know why he's behind bars? Do you know why Thabo Bester is behind bars? So I want us to talk about that. Not his haircut, not his Burberry coat or whatever coat that he wears. We need to talk about this. It's not about fashion. It is about a rapist, a murderer, people who is good at manipulation, and a con artist. This is what he is. We need to call it what it is. So he's a predator that has destroyed so many lives. His victims, the people that did the crime with him, we've seen how Nandipha Makutumane looks. We've seen how one of the accused couldn't breathe in court. I'm thinking their families also. We've seen Nandipha's dad. It's a mess. It is a mess, all because of one person. So